Our body's final defense wall is our immune system, which protects us from viruses and diseases, and prevents the attacks of numerous microorganisms that enter the body via food. The immune system consists of tissues and organs work together to fight foreign bodies. Lungs are also important since their primary function is to inhale and store oxygen, and to exhale carbon dioxide through the nose. Yet, if the nose is blocked with mucus, it influences the lungs. The following drink will strengthen your immune system and remove mucus from the lungs. It can be used by both children and adults, and provides quick and significant effects. Children often play in the water, dirt, and filth, so they are more prone to sickness. Yet, their immune systems are developing and they become resistant to various diseases. Yet, children most commonly suffer from a cough and colds. If these issues persist, it indicates that mucus is accumulated in the lungs. Our body creates lots of mucus on a daily basis, almost 1 to 2 liters. The majority of it is spat out, but in the case of colds, it clogs the breathing tubes and leads to health issues, including allergies. If it persists and turns greenish in color, or even mixed with blood, the health problem may be serious, so you should visit a doctor. The immune system prevents diseases and foreign bodies, and reduces various health risks, germs, parasites, viruses, and bacteria. It contains lymph nodes, which produce and store the cells which protect us from bacteria and viruses. Therefore, the following recipe will be of great help, as it boosts the immune system and eliminates excess mucus from the lungs. Ingredients: 100 grams honey, 100 milliliters water, 4 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 inch of ginger, grinded, 50 grams oats. Directions: initially, rinse the oats and mix them with the water and the grinded ginger. Then, boil the mixture for several minutes. After it cools, add the honey and the lemon juice, and leave it thus overnight. Store the drink in the fridge, and you can use it up to a week. Use every morning. On an empty stomach, drink 30 to 40 milliliters of this drink. Repeat this for 40 days to boost the immune system. Then, make a 15-day break, and repeat the treatment for 40 more days. It can also be used in children, and it will strengthen their immunity to prevent all kinds of viruses and bacteria. Also, if you want to speed up the process of eliminating excess mucus from the lungs, we highly recommend you to use steam. Boil a pot of water and hold your face over the bowl, and breathe in the steam for several minutes. Cover your head with a towel to concentrate your exposure to the steam.